Hi Crushers, I'm Angela from Cincinnati, Ohio. I joined the CleanFoodCrush Clean Eating Challenge in January 2023. So far, I've lost 13 pounds in my first 4 weeks, and my biggest takeaway from the program is how much more confident I feel in my ability to eat healthier when I plan ahead, and actually how good the recipes are, even as leftovers. I love the support from Rachel and the CFC team, and I feel blessed I've learned how to even take healthy on the road. As a mom of a college athlete and a teenage daughter, I have traded in my game time snack of Cheetos and Twizzlers to cucumbers, red peppers, hummus, and hard-boiled eggs. I'm also grateful to be a whole jean size smaller, and this once tight sweatshirt's a little bit baggy, all in less than a month.